Hi friends, welcome to TN channel.
Naveen Daphne channel.
Today we are going to prepare delicious bitter gourd keema fry. Come, let's get started.
Ingredients for keema fry: onion 1 big size chopped, tomato 1 medium size chopped, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, yogurt 2 tablespoon, Kashmiri chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, coriander leaves, 2 bitter gourd, mutton mince 350 grams. Method to cut the bitter gourd. Cut both the edges first. With the scraper, you can scrape those thick skin so that it won't be very bitter. Now we're going to cut it into half and slit them. And remove the seeds. Now you can remove the seeds. Once the seeds are removed, start slicing the bitter gourd. Add salt in the water and put those sliced bitter gourd in the salt water so that salt absorbs all the bitterness and the bitter gourd will taste good with the mince. Let this soak in the water for half an hour. Add 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. You can add bitter gourd to it. And you can add pinch of salt. Don't add too much salt because bitter gourd is already soaked in the salt water. And saute well. Now bitter gourd fried well, you can transfer it to the bowl. Next step, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can add 3 cloves and 2 black cardamom. This is optional, or else you can directly add onions to it. Saute this onion until golden brown. Now the onion is fried well. You can add mutton mince to it. Now you can close the lid, let it cook for some time. Now you can add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and stir well. Let the masala fry for some time. All fried well. Now you can add tomatoes to it and saute again along with yogurt. Let this cook in the medium flame for 5 minutes. Now we can add bitter gourd and give a nice stir and let it cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now you can add salt to your taste. Then fry for some time. And let it cook for some time. At this time, when bitter gourd and keema is well cooked and well fried, you can add garam masala, give a stir, and add coriander leaves. Delicious bitter gourd keema fry is ready. Hi friends, hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you with a new recipe in our next video. Until then, bye from
Daphne Naveen.
bye.
Bye.